I'm not sure if many of you all know, but the third largest Hindu population country in the whole of the world after India, Nepal is Bangladesh.
Hinge bahai tambai khajani marte ki jingsong ka khayo nor bo jotona kaham korona tona hanai hinge phadi ke sungtini kaisa chini Bubagra ni meeting ni kogrona khnawa neleyano tai o video botam hanai kok Saka abrona sungtabo kaham gena khnawa neleyano hinge ba sundra nai toni in video no puilani simi paithak jara tai kaham ke bujimanai.
I'm not sure if many of you all know, but the third largest Hindu population country in the whole of the world after India, Nepal is Bangladesh with 1 crore 70 lakhs. Now it may be very less for Bangladesh, but where Mizoram the population is 12 lakhs, Meghalaya is 24 lakhs, Tripura population is 15 lakhs, in Garo Hills you are already in problem in Mahendraganj, Mehndi Patthar side. In Jaintia Hills, I have so many of my Jaintia brothers and sisters. I know what is happening. I know how the people are walking in. And we have open borders with Bangladesh. Right now, Bangladesh is in problem. And if there is any problem in Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina is a friend of India. Her father was a friend of India. But if she is gone and she is not any younger, she is 78, there is an undercurrent of Jamaat-e-Islami happening in Bangladesh. And if Jamaat-e-Islami comes to power in Bangladesh, the first people who will be targeted, Chakma Babu will say so, will be the non-Muslim population in Bangladesh. They will start coming because there will be atrocities, the lands will be, Bangladesh has a land problem, and they will start coming to the border. How do we identify who is who? There is pressure, 1971 will again happen. And vote bank politics means the tribals of Northeast do not have enough numbers to even influence our own state like Assam. How will you influence the rest of India? So we have to ensure that the government of India understands that when the tribal people of Northeast are fighting for their land rights, for the political rights, for the economic rights, we are the frontier to India because we know how to defend our land. We are the indigenous people, and if you can protect us, you are protecting India. So the politicians may not understand that, but the bureaucrats, the IB has a huge role to play in the strategic matters of Northeast, whether it is China, whether it is Myanmar or Bangladesh. So we have to convince the IB, the bureaucrats, the officials in the Home Ministry that if you do not empower the indigenous people of Northeast, you are creating a problem for future, which is an internal security problem to the whole of the Northeast and India as such.
Hingi khajani marte ki jingsong nor kaham kuna khanawai te bujui man khananai khakhayo taibo motino buskang rogo motino abdi romane tonani bagai ani channel subscribe khayoi garani bell icon sinoi all of press kenyadi tamne hinge ang jefro katal video upload khayo afrono jotan sikang noroni orono notification soganya bagai hinge bayap sang video tin bagai sugna malai phainor bai next video